I decided to test fastcash.gg for 24 hours because it claims you can earn hundreds of dollars a month just by completing simple tasks. Sounds great, right? But is it really that easy or just another site that wastes your time? When you first land on the homepage, the promises look amazing. It says you can make money by watching YouTube videos, browsing Google, and filling out tasks. Some banners even claim you can earn $300 in a single hour or $3,000 in a month. That got my attention, so I signed up to see what really happens. Once I logged in, I saw a dashboard filled with surveys, coupons, sweepstakes, and money-making guides. At first glance, it looked like easy cash. Offers claiming $100 for a survey, $1,000 prizes, and $300 coupons. But here is the truth. Most of these aren't real tasks where you get paid directly. They are sweepstakes promotions. That means you are not guaranteed to win anything. You are just entering for a chance to win. And to enter, you have to give away your personal details. I tested a few of these offers, and within hours my email inbox was full of spam. I even got promotional calls and texts. So yes, you might win something eventually, but the odds are tiny and the trade-off is your privacy. Now about the guides they provide. They sound like they will teach you how to make money, but in reality, they're extremely shallow. For example, one guide lists affiliate programs, but it doesn't explain how to actually succeed with them. No step-by-step instructions, just vague info. Honestly, they are not useful. So after 24 hours, here is my verdict. Fastcash.gg doesn't have a real earning system. There is no payment section, no reliable tasks that guarantee money, and no legitimate income streams. It's basically a collection of sweepstakes, links, and filler guides. If you are new to making money online, this might look promising, but I can tell you it's not worth your time. Instead, I would recommend starting with proven platforms that actually pay you for small tasks, surveys, or freelance work. I will leave some trusted options in the description below. So is fastcash.gg legit? From my 24 hours test, I would say it's more of a distraction than opportunity. Unless you love entering sweepstakes and don't mind being spammed by advertisers, you should skip it. If this review saved your time, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I will keep testing money making sites and apps so you know what's worth trying and what's not.